It is voting 2 out of 3 in the discharge header.
This is okay.
Existing one, okay?
Okay. Go for pump suction.
Yes, for the upstream, the suction header, this 2 out of 3 voting. Okay.
No. Go for the pump suction pressure. Pump suction pressure high PAHH at pump suction.
Pump suction is set. In the header, we'll ask about the header.
Yeah, this one, yeah, this one. Pump suction high pressure. Note number 3, yes. Yes, correct. PSAH 101102.
Yeah.
So what is set point of this one?
Maybe 50 bar or below 50 bar.
Yeah.
40 bar.
If it is the same set point.
No way. Now we have in the suction pressure, in the suction header, we have 2 voting. Make a BECD, level 2. But here, alarm, just alarm, we can put set point below this by 10 bar, I think. We can below this of the voting.
I would suggest, Ananta, we should take credit. Okay. Because if the blocked outlet case happens, the suction pressure pump will increase because you are getting continuous flow, right? And we can take credit. So guys, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen because they are complementing each other. So here I have taken, just a minute, PSAH, I have taken malfunction. I have taken this. I will put it here. Then I put tag number. What is tag number of this one? PSAH. PSAH 101102. PSAH 101102. 02 will sense high pump suction, high pressure pump suction. Pump suction will trip the pump on high pump suction pressure. High pump suction pressure, yes. So this will be the same because this is very good SIF. PSAH. So this is correct. So we'll put the same thing. This SIL one. So now, guys, this is okay.
101102 or 1012? Can you check? Check the tag number.
101102.
Which one you are referring here?
This one. We are taking the same tag number of the hedgehog.
Old tags, huh?
Old tag,
yeah, not the new tag. Okay.
Yeah. Because and I will put the same thing here because the same configuration. pH has been considered as 02, and FL not considered. Correct. Very good, guys. So we are SIL 1, and with 20 RRF and with 10 RRF.
Mr. Shara, please. So I have now Engineer Mahmoud, the machinery engineer, who can about the seed system. You can
okay.
Advise us.
Clarified, yeah. Anyway, that was not an issue now.
Not
an issue.
Yeah.
Okay. The question is, in case the discharge FCVR discharge valve close, the pump is running, yeah, with its full capacity, and then it is pumping. Will the inlet pressure go high, or the pump will take and then keep pushing?
Okay. For the pump itself, okay, as the casing of the pump itself or the mechanical seat cartridge, I mean, okay, the seat chamber pressure, I mean, it's equal to the maximum suction pressure plus delta B divided by number of stages, but here is 4 stages, okay, and multiply by 15%. This is the suction seat, this is the seat chamber pressure, okay. Mechanical integrity of the cartridge can withstand to 100 bar gauge as a dynamic, means that the pump is in operation, okay, and while the pump